Hey, it's Michelle from Monkeys Creations. We are going to do a spider wreath using the 10-inch sign on the small Unique in the Creek board with some black horizontal wide stripe and the gold beads. But first, it is Friday for y'all, so we have to do the Friday dance. So get off the couch, get out of bed, get off the chair, put your coffee down, because it's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. Woohoo! All right, let me bring y'all down. So we are going to use the reverse 3D daisy petal. A lot of y'all have asked what the 10-inch sign would look like on the small board using these petals. So I'm here to show you. So let me get this out of my way. We're going to make the reverse 3D daisy petal. So it is a squared piece of mesh. This one is 10 1/4 inches. So we're going to take it curved side up, diamond shape, bring top and bottom over. So you should have about a 4 or 5 inch piece of mesh from side to side. We're going to take our right hand, hold that right side down, bring that left over to the right, just like that. Now we're going to pinch right here where it starts to slant, right in the middle. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to turn it over, and we're going to grab a zip tie, and we're going to zip it up. You can use your bands, you can use your zip ties, whatever you want to use. I'm going to line this up at a line, and we're going 1, 2, 3 inches from that bottom. So we have a 3-inch tail. Go ahead and cut that piece off. You're going to grab another zip tie. Take that zip tie, run it through your bead. You're going to have the flat end of the zip tie up to the ceiling. You're going to take your piece of mesh, kind of fold it in half. Your fingers should go all the way through it. We're going to take that zip tie, run it right around that top layer, kind of zip it up. Run your zip tie to the inside. Make sure your bead's up there in the middle. You're going to hold down this bottom portion while you're walking that zip tie up. Go ahead and cinch it just a little bit more. Okay, so we've got that zip tie as far up as it will go. I'm going to hold it in place with my back fingers. I'm going to let this end go so that our bead does not move, and I'm going to pull the zip tie, tighten that up. Go ahead and cut that zip tie off, and then just open that petal up. Rotate your bead around a little bit more if you need to. And then there's your reverse 3D daisy petal with the bead. On the board, we are only using row 2. So as you can see, we've used every regular set of holes and every shared set of holes all the way around on row 2 only, because we're using a 10-inch sign. You're just going to take your mesh pieces, run them right through that zip tie, and zip it up. Just like that, all the way around. If you want to cut those tails off, you definitely can. They will not interfere with your next row because we're not using the next row. So just loading these all the way around. So you're only going to need 24 of these petals because of the 10-inch sign. If you want to add more, you can definitely add more, but you do not need to. Just taking that zip tie, running it right in front of the zip tie that's on there. So they all should be about the same length all the way around. But I will just check periodically to make sure we still have our circle. We don't have any wonky petals. So 24 of the 3D daisy petals. All of them are squared, so measure your mesh before you cut. Sometimes they can be 10 inches, sometimes they can be 10 1/4, sometimes they can be 10 1/2. So just kind of make it a general rule or a habit to measure the mesh before you cut it. Once these all get on here, the petals will stay in place. If you are looking for these beads, the bead collections are on my website, monkeyscreations.com. All the beads you will find under supplies. All the signs you will find under the sign collection. Just go to whatever holiday you're looking for. So Halloween will be under Halloween. Almost done. Using a 10-inch sign, you will definitely use less supplies. The last two. The last one. Kind of tuck that right inside those two. Just like that. If anything needs to be adjusted, adjust it now. That looks good. Then we're just going to use the zip tie cutter. Tightens and cuts your zip ties all at once. can find the link for this in my Amazon shop. It is definitely one of my must-haves. Okay. There we go. Give it a little turn. And then attach your sign. Now I did just add my cable mounts, so I'm not going to be pulling hard. If you're using cable mounts, get you a sander and sand the little spots where you're adding your cable mounts. That way it gives it, it takes off that sheen on the sign, and you have a little bit extra for that to grip. And we're just going right across from each other. Okay, just like that, top, bottom. Tighten your sign down. Remember, I'm not tightening a lot. And there you go. Hang it any way you want. Just like that. So 24 pieces of mesh, 24 beads, 10-inch sign using the small Unique in the Creek board. Easy. Less material for sure. So that's it. That's all I got for y'all. I hope y'all have an amazing weekend, and I'll see y'all Monday.